Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar rose 0.8% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US economic activity picked up pace last month as gauges of production and personal consumption improved. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago, the Chicago Fed reading dovetails with other recent readings of improved industrial production in July. Bitstamp, one of the oldest digital asset exchanges, will discontinue staking services in the US amid a crackdown on the product by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The risk-sensitive Canadian dollar weakened against its broadly stronger US counterpart as equity markets fell, but the currency's move stopped short of the 3-month low it hit the previous day.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 hours GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.